Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about an encounter that I literally had like an hour ago with a gangstalker. So a customer came in to change to get his gas cap replaced, and he was very normal, but he began doing that. So wherever I was looking at him on his direction, he just began doing that. So in the beginning, I just wasn't sure if it was a gang stalker or not, because I do my best to see it as normal before I actually accept the idea that it was a gang stalker. But then I went out to see what was going on with his gas cap, and out of the blue, he just literally just said Grindr. Initially, I thought that there was nothing there, that I thought he actually meant about actually grinding something, but then he didn't contextualize it, so I was like, okay, he's probably a gang stalker. So then this is my thought process when that happens. So whenever I have a gang stalker that does that, first I think it was just one. The last time that I had something like this, it was a while ago, so I know these are not frequent. Two, I know that this encounter is gonna linger in my mind for a little bit, but then I'm gonna get distracted by something else, and I'm gonna be aware of it, but I'm not gonna give it any importance. Then I also told myself this is good because I can make more content, and therefore I can make another YouTube video and document all my encounters so that people are aware of how they covertly tell you who they are and what they want. And also I have to make the decision, did he say the word grinder to harass me, or to plant the seed of me wanting to go back into Grindr and misbehave? And lastly, I used it to cement the idea that regardless of what the intention was, what my plan is of not allowing these types of individuals get into my psyche or have any type of effect on my behavior, and much less actually be successful at planting the seed of me going into Grindr and misbehaving and using drugs. In fact, I made sure that it did the opposite, for me to be aware that that's exactly what they want, and for me to just know what is right, what I should be doing, what I shouldn't, and use it to anchor my plan as not doing anything that is in any way, shape, or form anything that is going to allow gang stalkers to come in my life and affect me, because I am not going to allow them to bully, to harass, or in much less manipulate me. Never again. That's it. Bye.